Welcome to Poetry Wonderland, a place where the most incredible ideas come to life. First, let's fall down the rabbit hole so our imaginations can roam freely. In Poetry Wonderland, you can be as weird, wild, and as wonderful as you like. Want to surf down an erupting volcano or eat a rainbow? You can. Can you write a poem using an idea that no one else can think of? What about an underwater barbecue? Ever been to one of those? Or how about blowing bubbles into moon craters? That's a wacky idea we found in Poetry Wonderland. Is your imagination starting to think of crazy ideas? Fantastic! That's what's meant to happen. Here's another example. Polishing a dragon's false teeth. Weird and wild. Now that you're in Poetry Wonderland, what will you write your poem about? Have fun, be original, and enjoy this activity. The worksheet makes it easier to plan, write, and draw your ideas. If you enter the Poetry Wonderland competition, you'll receive a bookmark and sticker. Your poem could be published in a real book too. Plus, there are brilliant prizes up for grabs. So, where will your imagination take you? We can't wait to find out. Happy writing!